you want to know how we went from this to this, stay tuned. So, previous upholstery I really hated. It was too dark, too dirty, and dry cleaning wouldn't help it. So we decided to change it. Here's the previous one. Just take a look at it. It's so bad, it's ruined. And smell not much better than its look. So I discarded the old one and used it as a pattern. First, I really doubted myself, although I have some skills, and it was a huge work, really, but decided to try anyway and save some money. Whole material cost me around 150 euros, and making it in atelier could be like 5 times more. Hey doggy, you love it? They told us the material is pet friendly. We'll see. Don't know about kid friendly though. And to protect our couches, we decided to install this kind of screen. It will go here and hopefully will work fine.
We're doing another unpacking. Bought it in a casual shop, but we need to change the screws because they're black. Final part.
Ba-da-ba-bam, ba-bam.
So what for was this improvement? Just to safely wash your hands.
The main reason why we couldn't make it longer, because board is very not too big. So when I go, it will be too easy for elbows. And actually we're using only one sink, and this place only to dry dishes. If you want to know what we do next, click the video next to me. We'll see you there.